welcome back. I know we took a short break from YouTube, but we're back, and today we're cooking egg fried rice. It's a really delicious dish, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video.
Yep, you got it.
So the first thing we have to do before we begin is wash our hands. Ellis, have you washed your hands?
We're just gonna.
Ellis is gonna go do that now. Noah, have you washed your hands?
Yeah,
Luca, have you washed your hands? Now, while we wait for Ellis to come back, let me show you the ingredients we have here.
Yeah.
We have some pre-cooked rice,
And some
eggs, carrots, cucumber, and some pork. So the first thing we have to do,
And pork looks weird.
the first step we have to take is get this carrot and grate it. Now we're gonna peel it. We're gonna put the peelings into this bowl here, which is gonna be our waste bowl.
Just can I do some?
Noah, do you wanna do that for us?
No, can I do some? No, can I do some? I said it first.
Look around.
That's how to do it.
I think you're fast. Use your carrot. Now your carrot's nice and peeled. Looks great. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna chop it in half, and then chop it like this. So you have a flat piece like this. Now what you're gonna do with this is you're gonna cut it in about 1/2 centimeter pieces. 1 centimeter pieces. Then you're gonna line up all these 1 centimeter pieces.
Yes, he's right.
And cut these into 1 centimeter pieces the other way. So you get tiny little squares like this. And you're gonna put these squares in a bowl that Ellis is gonna get. Now you should have quite a few little pieces like these, which are good to have at the moment. And if it depends on how many people you're feeding, but the more people you're feeding, the more little pieces you want. So I think we're just gonna do a bit more, and then we're gonna move on to the cucumber.
Yeah. Now we're starting onto a cucumber.
So now we're putting the carrots into this bowl here.
That Ellis got. You didn't need to know that. I'm gonna slice it in half.
Look at
I nearly cut my finger.
Your face is like this now.
So this knife is very sharp, very sharp. This is
I
why.
nearly cut my hand, by the way.
So this is why I'm the only
I
one using.
cut a carrot.
This is why I'm the only one using this knife. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the cucumber into half like we did with the other one, and then we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna take pieces of it like this.
And cut it into little squares.
Yeah, and you're gonna cut it into little squares. Now we put the cucumber into the same bowl we put the carrots into.
I'm gonna mix it up.
Now, looking at this bowl, I think we need a few more cucumbers and carrots.
When do we add this all?
So, I'm gonna cut some more, and then we're gonna come right back to it.
Do it.
Now that we've finished chopping up these vegetables, we're gonna move on to whisking some eggs to make our scrambled eggs.
Let's do the séjour.
Luca, do you wanna crack the first egg?
Sure. So I'm gonna put it
I win.
I'm so scared. No, both of us. Okay. Ew.
I know, do you wanna crack the other egg?
Yeah, I'll crack the first
What
egg.
do I get to do then?
I'll crack the first egg so you see, okay?
No.
No, both of us!
No.
No, both of us! Everyone, so I'm gonna crack the first egg. Okay.
Stop looking behind you. That's not good. What do I do?
That was a nice crack.
I'm just lonely.
Into the crack, yeah, that was very My turn! My turn!
No, I just want to put that in our waste.
That was a nice crack. Oh.
And there's no shells,
It's
obviously.
a very nice crack by Noah.
剪刀石头布。
There's gonna be shells in this.
Alright.
Oh, that's a shell. The shell.
Now, I'm going to use a fact in our previous video.
That's not fact.
Shells attract shells because they have magnetism.
That's not fact.
I use the shell to get the shell.
Why didn't you use a spoon? Yeah, get the shell.
Now, Ellis, do you want to whisk the eggs for us?
No, go wash. Go.
Luke, you can go wash your hands.
Me and Luca are
Ellis, do you
gonna
want
go
to whisk the eggs for us?
Okay. Let's spit out.
No?
Why? Okay.
Now, as you can see, Ellis does not know how to whisk eggs properly.
Creepy.
Alright, the real way to whisk eggs is like this.
Okay, I'll do that.
So you get a nice consistency on the eggs. Looking at these eggs right now, they're looking really whisked and really nice. You know they're good when the white of the egg mixes with the yellow to make an even lighter yellow, and it looks like a sunrise.
Let me see the sunrise.
Okay.
I nearly fell.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our wok. It's a big bowl that you heat up, and we're gonna put it on the cooker. Now we're gonna scramble the eggs.
Oh, I'm pouring the oil in for scrambling the eggs. Yeah. Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Right now
And then I'll spit it out.
Okay. Now I'm gonna turn on the heat. And wait for a few moments.
Yeah. Did you put olive oil in there?
No,
Flour oil.
he put sunflower oil.
What's it? Oh, okay, fine.
So we're gonna mix the oil around a bit. 'Cause there's quite a bit of oil in here,
How's the my fault?
and we're gonna wait for it to heat up a bit.
I love it.
Okay, so since the oil is smoking, we're gonna turn down the heat a little bit, and now we're gonna pour the eggs in.
Nice.
Just pour it.
Oh, okay. Careful.
Now, since there's a lot of oil, this isn't gonna work too well. So we're just gonna
That looks so good. Look.
mix it around and turn down the heat a little bit more until we get a nice scrambled consistency.
Look.
But we're not gonna make it too scrambled for now because we still need to put all the rice in.
That looks so good.
Now we're gonna turn the heat off and move it to a different stove top so that we can let it cool down. So the camera died and we didn't realise, so we went and cut the pork, and then only after we cut the pork and we went over to the camera did we realise it was dead. So we've cut a bowl of pork that's about the same size as our bowl of vegetables, and now we're going to go and fry it all up and make our nice egg fried rice. I went and took out the egg from the wok so I could put the meat in first to give it a little more time to heat up. So first we're going to put in a bit more oil. This time we need a bit more than an egg. Then we're going to go put the heat on and let the oil heat up for a bit. And while it's heating up, we can I can tell you that we're going to put in the pork first. Then we're going to go and put in the vegetables and the rice, and we're going to end by putting in the egg because the egg's already been pre-cooked. So all we need to do is fry it up a bit more. And then we'll have finished our egg fried rice and we can serve and enjoy. So the oil is ready, and so we're going to go put in the meat. Ow, it spits. Now we don't want the meat to heat up too much. So we're going to turn down the heat a bit. And now we're going to go put in our rice, our pre-cooked rice.
Now, all this needs to be done quickly, or the
And our
meat's gonna burn.
vegetables. And now we're going to mix. Now I don't know about I don't know about Ellis, but I think this looks pretty good. Ellis, what about you?
Yeah, totally. Not like I don't like it or anything. It's just like, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So season up a bit more, and we're getting a look at the nice egg fried rice. Look how good it looks. Well, it doesn't even have any egg. It has little bits of egg you can see in there. So now we're gonna add our egg into it and mix the egg up a bit.
Oh, you can cut that bit out.
Now we're gonna keep it in.
Me singing.
Now you heard it singing in the background.
No, you never.
Future X Factor singer.
No, you never.
Whew. Look at that lovely egg fried rice. So now we're gonna add in a bit of salt. Give it a bit more flavour when we eat it.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put the heat back on a bit just to finish it up. Now I think the egg fried rice is completely finished and we can dig in and enjoy.
For most of us, at least.
Thank you for watching. Now, before we can sit back and enjoy a nice bowl of this egg fried rice, we need to do a bit of cleaning up, don't we, boys?
Yeah, we do, really.
Now, this is some good egg fried rice.
Oh. Can I have a taste, please?
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And see you in the next one. Let's do it, boys!
Yeah!